Be careful here, people often walk out in front of coaches. There's down. Definitely saw her using the phone, the screen was lit up. LG24AWV. And we're still green, we can proceed. Recommend you stay off your phone while driving, madam.
I wasn't on my phone.
I saw it.
Yes, I was.
I saw it, it was screen on. Carry on. I'm still reporting it. It's up to the police, not me. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to step very slightly out of line here. So if she does start to reverse back, we've got a bit impatient there, sir. You're slower than me.
I've seen your videos.
I just caught her. You can go ahead, I'm turning anyway next. Have a good day.